Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inventorying what must be protected: servers, staff laptops, and any animal tracking EOT. Once done, decide site-to-site versus remote access so you match performance to needs. Site links facilities, remote supports mobile vets. Next, allocate budget for a firewall-capable router, VPN appliance, or enterprise license, plus a static IP or reliable DDNS. This gets you ready to purchase and provision. Don't skip the device list because it informs tunnel counts and throughput requirements. You now install the appliance or enable the firewall's VPN module. Choose secure protocols like ICAV2 or OpenVPN and enforce AES 256 with SHA-2 to protect telemetry. Then, create user groups and apply role-based access so animal care staff see only necessary systems. Enable multi-factor authentication for every remote user. Next, configure split tunneling and DNS push to avoid leaking internal names, set routing for site-to-site subnets, and adjust MTU to prevent fragmentation. These steps balance security and real-world performance. You finish by testing in stages: local link, remote clinician, and full cross-site traffic to verify routes and permissions. Make sure logging, alerts, and configuration backups are active so you can audit access to animal records. Monitor appliance CPU and bandwidth. Tune keep-alive and reconnection for intermittent mobile links. If things go wrong, troubleshoot certificates, firewall rules, NAT traversal, and DNS. Fix one issue at a time and retest to isolate causes, ensuring secure, resilient VPN access for your animal company.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.